When I was a kid, I wanted to make movies, so I thought I'd hit the road and go to a big city to chase my dream. I thought, what was here but failed dreams, failed relationships, heartbreak, and feelings of absolute loneliness. I continue to long for that childhood wonder and magic you experience as a kid. Mom and Dad taking you to do fun things. And as an adult, you continue looking for the right direction to lead your life. And sometimes you just trust it blindly. It sometimes appears wonderful and more exciting than the life you want to leave behind. But it still doesn't match the excitement and experiences you had back home. Yes, the big world outside of my town is beautiful. But with a spark of an idea, and the crazy voices in my head telling me what I really needed to do. After all, time was ticking. I knew that these strangers I was looking at were not like the ones I had back home. The laughter, the love, that weird old Hoosier hospitality that I feel like only exists here in Fort Wayne. Nothing compared to our music, our art, our collective souls. And yes, even in that you still get lonely sometimes, but you realize no one is more talented than your friends, or can support you quite like your friends. They help you create the art that's in your heart. And through love, they help create lasting memories in your head. Pictures that will stick with you forever. Through art, you can preserve these moments in time as pictures in our minds, especially when motivated by love and friendship. You realize that after leaving, you always still have to come back home.